How to make a great Amazon product from engineering management? If you're not going to deliver exactly what marketing says, even if you're over delivering, proceed with this engineering advice with caution. In this case, my mentoring angel was Andreas Sennheiser, a renowned audio person. It was not his teaching, but he was confirming my project from 13 years ago. It supported Amazon as one of the two best audio companies in the world, based on the Kindle Fire product. So how it was done? There was a bit of uncommon knowledge. I had an audio research background. That allowed me to know that some things that were considered impossible were actually possible. It also allowed me to understand some of the new audio ideas that were being offered. Besides uncommon knowledge, there was also some innovation. Here's where you want to proceed with some caution, because here's some creative marketing. You propose to do some things that are considered impossible, so they can't be a customer need. But you have to know that sales would agree if you had the feature. The reason for caution is if it doesn't go well, it's really your fault, particularly if it's not on time. So we added 4 innovative features to take the lead in audio. I can't say specifically what, because there are some team members that are still relying on the secret knowledge. There are 2 bits of bonus information. The first one was ironic. I was discussing with the leads how to do great projects. And I told them, you're doing the process now. I don't think it felt that much different. The second one is that it received accolades at the time. But it took 13 years to confirm that it was one of the greatest of all time.